Hi, this is Patrina coming to you live from the New Haven Main Library. They call it IVES now. And I just wanted to let you know that this is where we started some 15 to 18 years ago, 2003. I think we did our first session here at the Main Library in New Haven. And the reason I'm coming to you from this place is that now, today in 2019, we're looking forward to expanding PIMOSH. We will be expanding into the Boston, Massachusetts area, Charleston, South Carolina area, rebooting in Charlotte, North Carolina, New Haven reboot, and then in Phoenix, Arizona. So I'm very, very, very excited to share that information with you. I look forward to working with all of my new partners and looking forward to making sure that urban inner city kids have the best actual education that we can provide for them. I am coming for you, administrators, those that are in charge of making sure that our children are actually first, the politicians that we support and vote for every year. Oh, I'm coming for you. I'm coming for you. So get ready, get ready, get ready, get ready. Boston, Massachusetts, Charleston, South Carolina, Charlotte, North Carolina, New Haven, Connecticut, and Phoenix, Arizona, September 2019. Coming, and we are coming for you. We will make sure that our urban inner city kids get everything that's coming to them. Century 21 funds will no longer be mishandled. I'm on my way. My name is Patrina Reddick. I am a social entrepreneur, a master's level social worker and clinical therapist, and I coined myself a human behavior specialist. So beware, be ready, get ready. PIMOSH, people involved in motivating our students higher, is coming for you.